What's up, everybody? So today, wow, the sun's nice. I'm gonna fit this hybrid racing. Wow, that just went crazy. Hybrid racing windscreen banner. Actually, it's just a sticker, but they call it a sticker banner. That's the part number, whatever it is. I'm gonna stick that on the Jazz. I've got a proper banner for the CRZ over there. That's coming in a later video. Let's get to it. That's the number on there. I don't know if you just caught that a second ago. That one there. It's like a reflective material. Not sure if I'm that keen on that, but I suppose it'll work quite well on the Jazz. I did wash all of these last weekend and we had a little bit of rain and they're now dirty again. So yeah, stick this on and go from there. My God, the state of it. I didn't realise it was this bad. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean the windscreen off a little bit first before I put it on. Obviously using Maguire's Perfect Clarity. Best window cleaner, in my opinion. That's what I've been using anyway. Well, that's that fitted. Not 100% happy with how Hybrid Racing actually sends out this product. We'd have folded it, put it in that small packet. It's kind of really creased it. I'm hoping this, like it leaving it out in the sun will actually, you know, clear that up a little bit. It's not completely obvious, but I'm being a perfectionist. It's kind of irritating me. Let's have a look. Alright, so as you can see, like here, I say it's reflective, so where I put my hand over it, but here, there's a line, here, that's where they've folded it. Now I'm hoping a couple of days in the sun, or once summer comes along, that'll disappear. But it's come out pretty well for, if I'm honest, just rushing it. You know, gets a bit more hybrid racing products out on my cars, which I'm always happy about. It's pretty cool. Yeah, because over Christmas I put the hybrid racing 130R. Excuse the dirt. Yeah, but I put the hybrid racing 130R shifter knob in here and the Maxim shift boot collar, I think they call it. Obviously replaced the leather boot as well because it's vinyl and crap. Yeah, so a few more hybrid racing parts on my cars. Obviously the CRZ's got some really trick bits that are hybrid racing that are coming. Well, they're actually here, but I've got to fit them yet. That'll be in another video. It's a rare opportunity for some sunshine here in the UK at the moment. It's quite warm. It's only 12 degrees, but for February, it's not bad. It's obviously Celsius. So yeah, there's the hybrid racing thing on. Hope you've enjoyed that small little video. I'll catch you in the next one.